Welcome to another episode of Premium Solutions Exterior. Today I'm here in the Bellevue area. I am about to do a roof repair, and apparently it's leaking around this area. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove some shingles by the valley and inspect the plywood and see where is that leaking. Now my theory is that because of this upper gutter, all of the water is running down and affecting that specific spot. Because you know, this is one thing, that this is what we call California Valley, so there is no flushing all the way up there, all the way down. Because of that, it's easy in the long run, the water penetrating that affecting area, and then the water can spread all over around there. Now let me show you another thing. I want you guys to take a quick look. This one, this is a nail. See, it's popping up, breaking the shingle at the same time. Look at that one. Another nail. Look at that one. Another nail. Look, this one. Another nail. There is another one nail here. Another nail there. Look at this one here. See the nail? For some reason the nails are popping up. Look. See there? See there? See these two? That one and this one? See this one? Look at that one. This one here. Now look at this one here. Multiple nails exposed. All right. So I'm gonna take a quick look here and see how it looks like. Okay, so I found the first leakage, and it's right there. You guys see it? Look, see the water there? That is water. So I'm gonna keep removing some shingles and see what else we can find here. Okay, so this is what I have done so far. You guys can see water we're running here all the way there. Look, see, there is a lot of ants there. Also another leakage here. You see there? See that one? There. Let me replace that one also. So let me see. Wait, look at this one here. You can barely see it. Give me a second here. See, there's a lot of ends. Now I'm gonna do this. Look there. See? They're leaking there. Not leaking here. Yeah. Let me take a quick look here. Okay, some more leaking here. Right, so I'm gonna close this and install the new shingle. Okay, so I just removed a few more shingles and I noticed this one. Look, remember there were one there, another one there, another one there. So you guys can see this leaking start there. See? And it started running all the way down. Guys, stay tuned. Okay, so I have found another leaking here, as you guys can see there, you know, and this leaking starts there. Actually, you can see there were a nail there before, and this is how it looks like. So you guys can see around there on the very top there is no white color, which is this one. It means that the leakage started there. So from there I was running all the way down. Now you guys look here. See, right there, still a lot of ends, and the leakage started there. All right, so just gonna install the new shingle there, and also going to remove some bridge cap, and we'll be out of here. Stay tuned. Alright, so this is how it looks now. You know, before there were a lot of nails there, exposed nails. We found another leak in there, like 2 leaks there, another one there, and another one there. So this is how they look. New shingle in the valley. Right? See you next time.